So good morning. Now we are going to see about your public relations on design thinking approach. Generally, public relations is the practice of managing and maintaining a positive image and relationship between an organization and the audience. It involves communicating effectively with the public, building trust, managing crisis, and promoting the organization's values and messages. So, public relations or design thinking approach helps us to understand the audience needs, perceptions, and concerns, and pinpoint the key PR challenges or communication gap between the organization and the audience. It involves brainstorming creative strategies and innovative messaging ideas, and to develop sample campaigns, press releases, or social media content, and to collect the feedback from stakeholders and refine the approaches for the organization. It also helps to implement the PR campaign focused on audience engagement and measures results against the goals of the audience responses. So, it continuously improving PR strategies based on insights. For this, we are going to see about your public relations on your design thinking approach.
Through observation and engagement. Next is define, which involves synthesizing insights to clearly articulate the core problem to be addressed. The Ideate phase encourages the generation of wide range of creative solutions without judgment, fostering innovation through brainstorming and collaboration. In the prototype stage, that tangible representation or model of the ideas are created to explore potential solutions and test feasibility. Finally, test involves gathering user feedbacks on prototypes to refine and improve the solution iteratively. This cycles process ensures that the final outcomes are practical, user-centric and aligned with real-world needs, making design thinking a powerful tool for solving complex problems across diverse domains.
Continue with that, we have shown reframing the PR question. Reframing a PR question or issue in a public relation is a strategic technique used to shift the perspective, context, or narrative around a topic. This can turn potential negative or challenging inquiries into opportunity for positive messaging, better audience engagement, or problem solving. It's commonly applied on media interviews, crisis communication, marketing strategies, and stakeholders interaction. Below, we will break down what reframing entails, why it is useful, and how we apply it effectively, drawing from established PR and communication practices.
Now describe about the apply to public relations within 5 stages. So design team offers a structured, human-centered framework for public relations professionals to innovate and solve communication challenges effectively. In the empathize stage, PR teams immerse themselves in audience perspective through interviews, surveys, and social listening to understand the emotions, needs, and perception such as public sentiment during a crisis. Next, the define stage synthesizes these insights into the clear problem statement and reframing the negative media coverage as how might we rebuild trust with skeptical stakeholders to focus efforts precisely. Ideation follows, where brainstorming session generates diverse ideas without judgment, perhaps yielding creative concepts like viral social challenges or influencer partnership to engage its audience. Prototyping involves creating a low version such as draft press releases or mock social media posts to test messaging quickly and cost effectively. Finally, the test stage rolls out pilots, gathers feedback via metrics like engagement rates and iterates, ensuring the strategies evolve based on real responses as seen in adaptive reputation management. This cyclical process enhances PR by fostering empathy-driven innovative solutions that research deeply and build lasting relationships. For example, brand apply DT in sustainability by empathizing with environmental concerns, defining narratives, identifying bold actions, prototyping content, and testing global impact. Overall, DT deforms PR from reactive to proactive, emphasizing the collaborations and continuous improvement for measurable outcomes.
So now let's see about food brand quality crisis response. When a food brand faces a quality crisis such as contamination or recalls, swift acknowledgement is crucial to maintain trust. Issue a transparent statement admitting the issue without excuses. Immediately activate a crisis team comprising PR, legal and operations experts to assess the scope and content of the problem, like halting production or distribution. Communicate proactively with stakeholders via press releases, social media and hotlines providing facts, apologies and correct actions to humanize the brand. Engage third-party experts for independent investigations to validate responses and rebuild credibility. Offer remedies like refunds, replacements or compensation to affected consumers, demonstrating accountability. Monitor public sentiment through social listening and adjust messaging, perhaps reframing the narrative towards enhanced safety measures. Follow up with long-term improvements such as upgraded quality controls, shared publicity to prevent recurrence. Finally, evaluate the response post-crisis to refine future strategies, turning the setback into a story of resilience and commitment.
Okay.
Now we are going to see about traditional PR versus decision thinking PR. Traditional PR public relations follows a linear top-down model emphasizing one-way message dissemination via press release and media pictures to reactively shape perception. In contrast, design thinking PR adopts an empathic, interactive approach, beginning with audience intention through pictures to craft human-centered strategies. Traditional PR priorities brand control and standardized campaigns, often ignoring real-time feedback. While design thinking encourages collaborative ideation and prototyping for adaptivity, innovation content. Metrics in traditional PR focus on visions and clippings, whereas design thinking measures success through engagement and sentiment for authenticate connections. During crisis, traditional methods rely on defensive statements, but design thinking reframes the challenge as empathic opportunities for growth and resolutions. Ultimately, traditional PR maintains efficiency in stable environments. In design thinking, it craves transformative, inclusive communication in dynamic digital landscape for enhanced loyalty.
To sum up, PR, that is public relation, is managing and maintaining the positive image about the organization among the audience. It involves communicating effectively the public, building trust, handling the crisis, and promoting the organizations and values through which the positive image for the organization is being built among the public. Okay? Thank you so much for the opportunity.